All right, I found a great deal at Lowe's. It's a DeWalt 110-piece tough grip black and gold drill bit and screwdriver bit set. 4 different little toolboxes. They have long shank driver bits, nut driver. They have 2 different size nut drivers. Here's a bigger one over here. All kinds of bits, okay? And multiple examples of each. And these are good quality. We have a set of drill bits right here. These are American sizes. Doesn't matter with drill bits, does it? We pick the one that's the hole that you need. This is a great deal in my opinion. I think it's a Father's Day thing. Don't know if they'll be available. I paid $30, under $30 with my senior discount. These little toolboxes are stackable. Let me show you this. Took a little while to learn how to do this. Slide it in like this. Oh, I forgot. You got to undo this. Lock it together. Want to get it unlocked? These little catchers are pretty tight. You have to be strong to undo these. Or, if you're an old man like me and your hands are weak, a coffee stirring spoon seems to get the job done. Under $30. This is a great deal. A great deal from Lowe's. You can't go wrong here now. And I can throw these in my toolbox. And I think I'll find what I need in the way of drivers and drills. Okay, thank you for watching.